Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Eight ways to pamper yourself with a home facial during quarantine. Now, currently, as we all know, because of quarantine, we are unable to enjoy the hands of a facialist to touch our faces and unable to relax in the aesthetically pleasing room or get a nice face pack on. Well, women love getting facials. But honestly, it is not always in the budget to drop $100 every month to get pampered. So now is the right time and the best time to try and teach yourself how to give yourself a home facial while sitting at home. Conducting an at-home facial is quite a good opportunity to get reacquainted with your skin. In this way, you will get accustomed to your skin, understanding the needs. All you need to do is zip down your bag of skincare tools and fully give way to the products that you've been stocking up since so long. Here is the instruction for an at-home facial. We told you there's nothing to fear when NutureMite is here. So let's dive into the instructions for an at-home facial. Quarantine special. Make it a night date. Now there's a good chance that a facial will take a little longer than your daily skincare routine. So you should prefer the time after the sun goes down. Because our skin is the most potent and absorbent of everything during a stage of relaxation and rejuvenation. Which is why it is mostly in the evenings, and that's why it is preferred that facial should be done in the evenings. You think of it as plugging in and charging your skin overnight, so the next morning you are prepared to face the day. Now in this way, you will have a built-in deep cleansing that will come with it at night. At night, your skin will do all the working as well as relax, and the next morning, you will see a glow that you haven't seen before. Show some skin. Now, each of us have about 30 to 40% oil secreting glands on our face. And actually, we also have it on our neck, which is why it is important and it is a necessity to extend your facial beyond your face. Which is why you must have noticed in the facial parlors, our facials are not only given for our face but also down to our neck. Most of the time we neglect our neck and it tends to look way older than our face. Now this happens over time, but it happens because the skin there is much thinner and drier. The jawline creates an almost perfect borderline between the more sebaceous and less sebaceous. Cleanse twice a day. The very step of your at-home facial is something you should be pretty good at by this point. Cleansing. Now in order to elevate your facial status, I suggest that you should take more than 8 seconds to wash by doing a double cleanse. And it should be thorough, so don't forget. How will you do that? You will do that by massaging with a pre-cleanse oil, which will soften your sebum, and some dissolve oils. You could continue this for about 15 minutes. Then you need to follow it with a clay mask, which will help you remove the impurities from your second cleanse. Now if you still have residue from removing the mask, you can follow up with a gel cleanser and wipe it off with a washcloth. But remember, do it gently and don't put much pressure on your skin. Exfoliate, don't extract. After wiping off the cleanser with a washcloth, it will suffice in the exfoliation department. But if you want to do scrubbing, then look for something gentle that dissolves with water and keep it no more than once or twice a week. So if you need those facial vibes, try a mini steam session instead of doing an extraction. A steam session doesn't need to include a steamer. You could also boil some hot water and put your face a few centimeters over it and cover it with a towel. But it should be no longer than 5 minutes, as heat in general enhances hyperpigmentation. And it's not so great for everyone. Tone. Now that you're done with your cleansing, it is now time to lay a foundation for your quest for getting more beautiful and lovely skin. So toners were long misunderstood, you know. It should actually be the very first step of treatment. You follow any treatment that was used with water with a toner. Why? Because water affects the pH of our skin. It creates a more alkaline environment than we want. The ideal pH of human skin is about 5.5, which is a bit acidic. So using a pH controlling toner can help you bring back the balance after your cleansing and potential scrubbing. Massage. Massages stimulate our blood flow and bring more blood and oxygen into our tissues. So they are great for the toning of our facial muscles. It is time to finally use any massagers like face roller or a blunt stone, etc. Or the simplest and the easiest one, you could actually just use the tip of your fingers and press them firmly on the forehead and continue to press around your eyes from inside and out. At the end of your massage, don't forget to press the area around your mouth. That will help you relax better. Soak it all up. The most favorite step is to truly indulge in something from your stash of treatments. Now whether it is an extra juicy sheet mask or a heavenly cream mask or even your favorite specialized serum, you should go for something that your skin needs the most at the moment and not what other people's are using. Your skin should be trendy and not your skincare. So it doesn't mean you need to keep applying products, but you should apply products that are right for your skin. So in this process of quarantine, you can actually get to know what products fit your skin and what don't. With our lives so busy, we often forget about our skin many times, and we often forget how important it is to use few items. We may pick up anything at the store in a hurry. So this time, take your time out to see what fits your skin best and soak it all up once in a while. And last but not the least, you should moisturize and get your beauty sleep. Finally, seal in all your handiwork with your favorite moisturizer that you might have thrown at the side during your normal skincare routine. And now is the time to seal it all in with some sleep, because it will help you reduce your stress and enhance your beautiful skin. For all those working from home, I'm sure you still have some time to give. So don't worry and get enough sleep as well, because that will help your skin stay fresh. Quarantine can actually become a major factor for your beautiful and glowing skin. You can try to use your home-at-home facial as the start of treating your whole body and not just few body parts. So have some fun and relax.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.